Well, a Memorial Day weekend tradition is not going to be taking place next year. The Jones Beach Four-Leaf Air Show is moving to the 4th of July weekend to honor the country's 250th birthday. It will be part of a massive celebration at Jones Beach State Park. There will be an Independence Day 2026 fireworks show followed by the air show on Sunday, July 5th, and then Monday, July 6th. Next year's featured performer will be the U.S. Navy Blue Angels. The air show returns to Memorial Day weekend in 2027.
Wow.
So we'll be wringing our hands about the forecast next year. This year, however, I mean, easy breezy.
Yes, it is just perfect this
Gorgeous.
year. It's really hard to get this nice weather this nice for
Yes.
the 4th of July, and we're getting it lasting throughout this weekend. So right now, temperature is still mainly in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. We have fantastic sunshine, just a few clouds out and about. 81 in Central Park, light winds near 5 miles per hour. So the high so far 84, and that's close to average for this time of the year. The record 102 set at 1949. Thankfully, it is not that hot. Sunset at 8:30. Temperatures mainly in the lower 80s. Newark here up to 86, 83 in Toms River, and 81 in Danbury. Dew points are very comfortable, so especially for this time of the year, down in the 50s. And we stay in the 50s tomorrow, but by Sunday, that's when you'll notice a difference in the feel, with dew points climbing in the 60s. So it's going to feel more steamy, and that steamy air mass will stick around through most of next week, and that's why we'll also see a chance for a few showers across the area. But comfortable this evening, temperatures dropping in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. No issues or weather issues for fireworks. Skies are clear and more the same all across the region. Just watching a few light sprinkles near Maine, but high pressure. That's why we're in for a nice rest of the 4th of July. On Futurecast, skies remain clear this evening. Tomorrow, the only difference is that high thin cloud cover will start to spill in, but overall sunshine still wins out. A similar setup on Sunday, just a difference in the feel, and hotter temperatures approaching the upper 80s and the lower 90s. There's a lot of activity going on in the bigger picture, so high pressure will continue to move away from us, and then tropical moisture surges north across North and South Carolina due to a newly formed tropical depression. More about that in just a second. So for us, humidity increases Sunday, and then a chance for a spotty afternoon and evening storm on Monday thanks to that tropical low, and this approaching cold front will bring us more rainfall on Tuesday. Newly formed this afternoon, Tropical Depression 3. We've been watching this area all week, and as expected, it has turned into a tropical depression. The latest forecast has that intensifying to a tropical storm this weekend, making landfall near Charleston or somewhere along the South Carolina coast. The next name up is Chantal, and that will continue to weaken as it interacts with land near Columbia and Greensboro, North Carolina, Sunday into Monday. Tonight, 68. Perfect weather for fireworks, clear and comfortable. And tomorrow, 85, mostly sunny with high cloud cover. Humidity stays very low, and tomorrow night down to 72. Humidity starts to increase again on Sunday, but at least we're dry. Temperatures near 90 degrees. Similar temperatures on Monday. A chance for a few afternoon thunder showers. Right now, looks like Tuesday. That's our best chance for rainfall due to a cold front and some tropical moisture. We'll keep a chance for just a spot shower Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures near 82 to 84, and that's close to average for this time of the year.
When was the last time that we had a picture-perfect July 4th? I mean, it has been a long time.
Yeah, I mean, I've only been here for about 4 years, but each year we've had to talk about rainfall and humidity. So
Right.
it's been a while.
And when we ask you and Lee to kind of like look into your crystal ball like 2 weeks beforehand, you're always, it's always like spotty showers,
yeah.
So we're
The
really
low
lucky.
humidity was,
That's the
Really
difference
great.
here. Mhm.
Yeah. All right, Brittany, thank you very much. Sam's up next to sports.
well, week one of Wimbledon winding down. A look at what the Americans did overseas, which includes an upset on the women's side. And coming up in sports, it is Mets, Yankees. Need I say more? Round 2 of the Subway Series for more than bragging rights. Both teams try to get back on track. Fireworks from Citi Field next in sports.
You work hard